everybody, welcome back to me. You know I'm Kevin, and today I'm gonna show you a character that I made. So anyway, this is the character that I made. This is my first time modeling a human in Blender, so I followed the tutorial for this one. This video is the tutorial that I followed. There's 6 videos in the series and I watched all of them for this. It also explains every action in great detail, so I can tell that beginners can follow this tutorial too. So this is the one that I made myself in Blender. It's almost identical to the one in the video, even though some of them are based on my own imagination, like the spear. First, I started by modeling the head. For the references, I'm also using the one used in the video. Same thing goes for the body, including the clothes. Although for the hair, I used my own way. And for the final part, rigging the body. I used the Rigify add-on, same as the one in the video. So instead of making everything one by one, there's already a preset and I just have to make some small adjustments. So anyways, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.